Alright, recently I did a video review of my friend Paul Lelekis' new book called That's Impossible. And now I want to perform. This is not an explanation video. This is a performance video of one of Paul's effects from his book, That's Impossible. And this is the Aces and Kings effect that's in there. So I really like this, so we're going to perform it for you here. As you can see, we have the four kings, okay? So we're just going to take the four kings and we're going to bury them down into the pack in four different places. And I'll show you they are going in four different places. And we'll have them push them in, okay? Just like so. Now we're going to take the aces here. We'll show you a little miracle here with the four aces, okay? Diamonds, spades, hearts, and clubs, okay? Now this is a beautiful effect, so thank you, Paul. This is, I really like aces and kings effects because I do a lot with the aces and kings. And so does Paul Harris, Alan Ackerman, and many others. So you have the four aces. Now we're just going to set these down here, okay? 3 of them, and we're going to take one and put one on the bottom, okay? We're going to rub it on my sleeve here, okay? And you can see we changed that right into the king, and we're going to set that down right over there, okay? Now we'll do that again even if nobody asks, okay? We take the 3 aces here, so we have heart, spade, and the diamond, okay? Now we're going to show you another miracle here with these 3 guys. We're going to set these down here, okay? Set 2 of them down, and we'll take this one, place it right on the bottom. We rub it on the sleeve and change this right into a king, just like that. Minor miracle. Now we'll do that again with the last 2, okay? That being the ace of spades and diamonds. And we're going to show you a miracle here with these guys. So watch very carefully, okay? We're going to just set one down here. We'll put one on the bottom of the pack. Rub it on my sleeve. A little bit of magic. And we get the king here, okay? Set that down. Now we take the last ace, most difficult one, the ace of spades. We'll place that on the bottom. We rub it on my sleeve, voila, and it changes to a king. Now, you're probably wondering what happened to the 4 aces, right? So we'll see if we can find them here. We'll just give the cards a little shuffle here. And we can see that there's none of the aces on the top, none on the bottom. So we'll see what we can do here. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll show you another trick. I'll take the 4 kings, and we'll show you a forking good trick, changing those magically into the aces right before your eyes. And then I snap the fingers, can bring the kings back. See, they're in the middle the whole time, face up, right before your eyes. So I hope you like that. If you like that, go buy the book That's Impossible by Paul Lelekis. And thank you very much. Have a magical day.